Everybody fucking jump!
Welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Let's get this one underway. You guys see what the shoe is already. Let me get you some box action. I wasn't going to do this video, but I said I might as well. This just seems like an average shoe to me. Get you guys a little bit of label action. Like I said, for those of you who don't know, I buy 2 of every Jordan or Nike GR each year to try to keep the collection growing and going. So if you got a chance, please like and subscribe to this channel. This shoe reads the Air Jordan Retro, Air Jordan 5 Retro, Black, Aqua Tone, and Taxi. I believe these are called the Jordan 5 Retro Aquas. I put the name down in the description. Now, to me, this shoe isn't bad. Has okay quality. It seems like it's a little bit weird stuff going on this shoe. All black, like I said, suede or nubuck, white netting. Blue Jumpman on the back with the little aqua blue tongue. The back, looking at the shoe from this direction makes it actually pretty good. Go to this side, the same thing, more black suede, white netting. You'll get in more of that when we get to the light test. Bottom of this shoe, in my opinion, is probably the best part of the shoe because I believe it won't yellow. It'll probably just go darker blue. But you see standard Jordan 5 bottom in the aqua colorway. That's just the outstanding bottom. Watch out for the 3M tongue, guys. So you get that aqua Jumpman with aqua lace lock. Thing on all materials on this shoe feel soft and buttery. I believe the colorway is just too basic for most people. You see you get all black nubuck, the white netting again, the yellow splatter. The back of the shoe, like I said, you get the Air Jordan on the tongue. I hope you guys can make that out. You get the all blue aqua tongue in the back, as well as a blue aqua insole. Aqua Jumpman. This side of the shoe, you get more of the black suede with the white netting. I know this netting is going to yellow. Looks like, wait a second. It does have a black backdrop on the netting, so it will look extra yellowy when it does yellow. You get the yellow and blue aqua spattered shark's teeth, as well as the blue aqua outsole, all black on the outsole as well. Then we get back to the normal Jordan bottom. Like I said, with the blue. Translucent outsole with the Jumpman, red Jumpman behind it. You guys look at these, what they're going to look like when they're on your feet. We know what you guys think about these shoes. Are you going to get a pair? Did you try to get a pair? I think they're going for under retail. I'm not 150% sure. Depending on what size you get, they might be for under retail. Alright, guys, let me know what shoes you guys are buying. I see all types of damage on this shoe now that I look at it. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!